everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts and I'm here with the lovely Chloe and I'm going to show you today how to do a Jasmine inspired style, so Princess Jasmine that is. So I'm going to be doing like the big bubble braid, but we're going to make it a bit more interesting, so hopefully you'll love the video. Let's get going. So I've just scraped up the top bit of hair here and just put it into a little elastic like that, okay? I have covered that elastic up, but you don't have to do that bit. So just use my fingers just to tease that little bit out there. You can back comb if you want to, I haven't today. And then you're going to take a slice of hair from both sides like that. And that middle section as well. Combine those together and just pop an elastic in. So before I go any further, I'm just using a bit of clay spray just to give a little bit of grip to the hair. And then I want you to get your fingers. If this is for a child, you might choose not to do this bit and keep it nice and neat. But I'm just going to create a bit of softness and a bit of texture on the side bits here. And then going to come to this middle section. In this middle section, you really want to make that pop because it's supposed to look a bit like a bubble. So you really need to just take your time and pull out that middle section. So before we move on to the next bit, I want you to cover this elastic. Again, if it was on a child, I wouldn't bother with this bit. So I'm just taking a strand of hair. You've probably seen me do this a few times now. So wrapping it round like that, and then just popping an elastic in to hold that into place. Okay guys, next section, again, 2 slices of hair. So you don't want it to bunch there because you need to make that bubble bit. So I'm just bringing it down slightly, combining all those strands together. And again, using my fingers to create that bubble effect. I kind of don't want it too neat. So I'm trying to sort of not make it completely symmetrical. Moving on, I am just covering that elastic up. You could always use hair ties that are matching the outfit, so it looks kind of like they're supposed to be there. But I'm just choosing just to cover them up. Okay, so last 2 bits of hair here. Just going to place that about there. Just budging the sides out a little bit. And then most importantly, this bit in the middle. So try and remember, it isn't just this top bit that you've got to pull. Kind of, you can go almost like to the back and the sides as well to really create that bubble effect. So now we haven't got that hair, guys, connecting. We're just doing the bubble bit. Really make sure that you concentrate on the front, the sides and the back, okay? So make sure you're pulling out that back bit as well, is just from the front. Because I haven't got that much hair left now, I am just going to do just a little bit of back comb in that centerpiece there. So nothing fancy, just a few little push-ups with the comb, just to help give that little bit of volume, okay? So fluff it up a bit, just smooth over the outer edges, just so you can't see that back comb, which doesn't look very nice. And then I'm going to bunch it up.
this one is loving, I'll be honest. Okay. I've never been this way, you got me going. No way. So I party and I gotta live reckless. Bang, bang, another shot, give me a sedative. My girl is trying to tell me, please don't worry. Don't listen. Cause I've been needing you on my hot toddy.
Okay guys, so that is our Princess Jasmine hair finished. I think it was pretty easy, don't you? I think anybody can have a go at this one. So I'm just going to give Chloe a little spin for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and comment, that'd be great. And also come and find us on Instagram at SweetHearts Hair.
Girl, you mind, girl, you mind. Yeah.